6K said, y'all, about his situation with 4Extra.
Don't worry about it, Top Meaty. TV words are hard.
So I fuck with whoever fuck with me. I ain't gonna cap on it. I don't beef for no nigga, fool. I don't beef for no nigga, fool. If you ain't never shot me, you ain't never smoked my homie. If you try to get some money together, let's do it. On the dead homies. Fuck you talking about? He said, dread it? I don't know. Look, I wanted to do those twisty type shit, you know? The hangover. A little bit. About me. Yeah, but man, for real, I ain't gonna cap. God's gonna open up a nigga eyes to some whole different type of, you know? I don't know if it's the prayers. Look, Bobster, I do not beef with AS and Bobster. At that point in my life, bro, I was a kid. Oh, bro, I just told y'all, real Harlem niggas, that nigga big homies on the dead homies, real Harlem niggas on the dead homies and ran back things for me on the dead homies. I ain't gonna cap. Yep, it's good. I'm gonna call you after this, cuz I don't beef with no nigga. I ain't gonna cap. I'm trying to get this money. All I want is money. I know GFE, bitch. I don't gotta go to work. I bleed her feet. I'm dead over. And I don't care. I really don't care. That's what I'm saying. These comments are insane. But it's alright. It's alright, yeah.
Thank you.
Don't mention the kids in my comments on ACG. I'm like too nigga up for Dodie, 4Extras, and all them niggas full. And damn, if y'all know, I'm up in here for popping a nigga on Vernon, chasing this damn kicking him in the ass. Like, pop, bitch, on that side, over, nigga, this is my block. Oh, I ran Vernon, we ran Vernon.
We have to
On the dead homies, what you talking about? We ran Vernon, bitch. Dead homies. Them niggas would not be doing no motherfucking videos if a nigga was out full on the dead homies, I'm telling you.
Well, that's an immediate change of heart. You went from being cool to not being cool with them, I guess. Okay.
On the set. Because nigga just spank shit on Vernon. On the set. Shit, the niggas got a nigga hot. I'm like, damn, homies, them niggas doing videos on Vernon. Hoover, he was funny to smoke her. I'm like, these niggas is doing videos on Vernon. Adam 22 and shit. We burn my strip. That's not going on.
As these winds approach, LA City firefighters from across the county,
Free killers, free TR3YWAY. Real track stars. Hey, nigga be back sooner than soon, though. Gang is probably training. Nigga be back real soon. We still gonna be chasing niggas, tell them tighten up their shoelaces. I'm hoping, give me all that blue faces. Fuck you talking about? VM gang. Or ACG. Nigga not even on cap. I'm not even gonna like tell no stories or lie or nothing, fool. Niggas would not be doing nothing. A young nigga was out on them younger than all them niggas. Ain't nothing to come in with them.